Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So on today's video, we're going to make a cocktail called the 100-year-old cigar. Right? This cocktail was made in Brooklyn, New York somewhere. But I smoke cigars. So this is what this recipe and this cocktail caught my eyes because I smoke cigars, right? And you know, reading the reviews, people say it's really cigar-like or whatever in the flavor profile. So to make it, you want to use an aged rum, a dark aged rum, right? So some things say 6 to 10 years. I got a 12-year Appleton Estate rum, right? It says use a Caribbean rum for most recipes, and the other main ingredient is Scotch, but you want to use something that's smoky and peaty, right? And most Islay's Scotches are smoky and peaty, so I got some smokehead for that. A couple other ingredients, some Cynar and some Bénédictine to help balance it on out. So let's begin because I'm really excited about this. First things first, we're going to go with 1 ounce and 1 ounce and 3/4 of an aged rum. Whatever aged rum you have, dark rum, nice dark rum, should work. So we're going to go next a 1/2 ounce of some Cynar, just 1/2 ounce. Next, we're going to go another 1/2 ounce of some Bénédictine, just a 1/2 ounce. Really excited about this. Next, we're only going to add a 1/4 ounce of our Scotch, right? Just a 1/4 ounce. Next, we're going to go with just a dash of a bitter. Get us some ice. Give this a nice stir. The scent of it is like, it's kind of hard to describe it, but like I smell the rum and the Cynar, and then you get a hint of the Scotch in the background. This is the scent, right? First, almost forgot our glass. So you want to add a 1/4 ounce of some absinthe to your glass, right? But you don't, again, if you don't have a fancy spritzer bottle that you can get on Amazon, and you check below, I'll probably have a link to some. This makes it easier, right? Or you can put a 1/4 ounce of absinthe in there, and you just swirl it around and then pour out the excess, right? Or you can get one of these, real cheap, spritz your glass a couple times, and voila, you have your absinthe swish. So here we go. Back to the program. If I get it right. Spouts right there. All right, there you have it. A 100-year cigar. I'm so curious. Because a lot of times, I don't be trying these drinks first. I just make them. And then I try them. But here we go. Cheers. I get it. Again, I smoke cigars. And this is a very similar to a cigar. And this is very good, right? I know in your mind you're like, tastes like a cigar. That doesn't make sense. It doesn't sound like it's good, right? But if you do smoke, you would really, really appreciate this cocktail. No lie. But anyway, do not forget to like, follow, and share. And go back down there in the bottom of the comments, in the description, and look at and shop. Buy something, right? I don't get paid for this. So anyway, cheers.